family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Easter cake that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this Easter cake, these are the main ingredients. Vanilla paste, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, half a cup of milk, unsalted butter, 1 stick, of course, the non-stick baking cream that you already have on my channel, 4 eggs, 1 cup and a half of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar. This is everything we need to make this delicious and moist Easter cake. So let's get started. I want to start first by adding my non-stick baking cream to my baking dish. Yes, this is a one step. You don't need to add any butter and then all-purpose flour and make a mess. One step and this is done. Remember, the bread is going to come out so easily that there's no need to add all-purpose flour. Here I have the 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 cup of sugar, the vanilla paste, 1 tablespoon, and I'm going to incorporate and cream it really good. I'm going to add half a cup of milk, and I'm going to incorporate it. Once this is incorporated, I am ready to add my organic eggs, and I'm going to add 1 at a time just in case one comes out bad. So that's why I'm adding 1 at a time. Once you add your 4 eggs, whisk it really good before you sift your all-purpose flour, your baking powder, your pinch of salt. I'm going to go ahead and sift it really good. Remember, this part is very important because you want your bread to come out nice and fluffy and delicious. I am going to incorporate everything, and once you have it nice and incorporated, you are ready to put it in your baking dish. At this time, you have already preheated your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. You're going to leave it in the oven for 30 minutes. You're going to get the excessive air out. That's why I'm tapping it right on the top of the board. And look at this. This is ready. So let's go take it to the oven. Let me tell you, this bread comes out so fluffy, moist, that I know you guys are going to love it. If you got to this part of the video and you love and you like the way I prepared the mixture of the bread, well, let me tell you, I'm going to ask you for your subscription. I'm going to ask you to leave me a thumbs up if you liked and loved this video. I am sure that once you see the whole video, the whole recipe, the final product, you are going to really love this amazing peach cake for your Easter day. Look at this. I have some peaches that I'm going to drain. This is the decoration I'm adding in the center of the cake. And of course, the heavy whipping cream. Look how soft this is. Let me show you. Look at this, really soft. I am ready. I am ready to prepare this cake. If I could do this cake at home, you could do this cake at home too. Look at this, and you have control of how much sugar you are adding to this amazing recipe. I'm not going to throw away the liquid where the peaches were because I'm going to use the liquid to add it in the center of the breads. Here, I'm just going to go ahead and start dicing all the peaches. Once you have them nice and diced, you're going to put them in a plate. You're going to put them aside, and then you're ready to start whisking your heavy whipping cream. It's going to take about 5 minutes. Remember, about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, your heavy whipping cream is ready. There is no need to add any sugar. This heavy whipping cream comes already with the sugar and the flavor of vanilla.
So here I'm just whisking away. I'm going to add a little bit of the heavy whipping cream into the peaches. This is going to be the filling. And believe me, it's a very, not sweet at all, but very delicious filling. Okay, I have the bread here. I'm going to add some of the liquid of the peaches, right, and cover it. I'm going to do the same thing to the other piece of the bread. And now I am ready to create a border so that the filling doesn't come out. Look at this. I'm ready to add all the peaches inside. Oh my gosh, this is a very delicious filling, and it's not heavy at all. You could enjoy it with a glass of milk or with the coffee, you decide. But here I'm just going to add a little bit of the heavy whipping cream on the top. I'm going to cover the cake really well from the top, from the edges. And I'm just going to leave it a little rustic. I'm going to make a little design right on the top. Cover the sides really good. Just like that. Look at this. And then when you are ready to add your decoration on the top, just go ahead and lay it on top. Look how easy this is. With the rest of the heavy whipping cream, I'm going to add some yellow food coloring, and I'm going to do the borders just like that. It doesn't take too long. But let me tell you, the heavy whipping cream, it's not too sugary. It has a vanilla flavor. It's a really delicious. And of course, I'm going to add a little sprinkles, pink sprinkles right at the edge. And now I am ready to enjoy. Look how beautiful this looks. Of course, I want to show you how it looks from the inside. How fluffy, how moist, and how you could really see the filling of the peaches inside this slice of cake. Look at this. My mouth is watering and I can't wait to enjoy it. So I'll see you in just a little bit for the presentation. Please don't forget and leave me a thumbs up. Share this video with your family and friends. I'll see you in just a little bit. That looks amazing and it smells delicious.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing Easter cake. Of course, with a delicious filling, peaches. Yes, this is a light, fluffy, and delicious cake for Easter. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. The flavor of the peaches, very light, a little bit sweet, but this is just a perfect sweetness. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. Excuse me. Nice and fluffy. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to be part of my family. I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will keep growing. I'll see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.